Oh. Oh. Okay. Just have track.
She'll say things. All the teachers that like she thought she was that was cool with her, whatever. She's mean to them. Oh my gosh, these people just smacked right in front of me.
Somebody crashed?
Yeah, a brand new CRV and stuff.
Okay.
A brand new CRV, yeah. They were both turning. Alright, let me go around. Sorry, talk to people. Yeah, brand new.
It's been corner.
I don't know what he did. He was right here. He was trying to.
Backing up. It'll all be controlled.
Keep left to continue on I-283 South. Continue on I-283 South for 3 miles.
Whoa, that was crazy.
That was 2 people that almost caused that.
sorority at Georgia State.
Keisha Range didn't buy herself food. She didn't pay any rent. She didn't have a source of income.
Turn left, then turn right.
A murderer. But as Hall says, barring a successful appeal, the state of Georgia should be feeding and housing Mo for the rest of her earthly life.
My client has directed me to
Make it free! I didn't pick it!
Whoa, yeah, just honk. No! Go! 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 Go!